everyone needs to know the reality in trading. Okay, the reality. Everyone need to plan well. Okay, so real trader don't hope to win. This is they work with data analysis, probabilities, and discipline. So the key number one here is about a business. You need to treat like a business, not like gambling. No, every position that you entry must have reasoning, must have a right timing, and is suitable with your account, your lot sizing. Okay, so this is key number one. Trading like a business. Okay, the second one is the market doesn't owe you anything. Okay, the market is very neutral. Okay, the market is very neutral. It doesn't care about your feeling, your prayer, or anything else. No, it's market will move with their decision. Okay, that's okay. Wait, okay. So everyone needs to know the market moving is not like basically SNR support by SNR resistance sell. No, market moving by the data, by a movement, by a liquidity. So everyone need to know that market is moving neutral. It doesn't care who are you. It doesn't care how much capital that you have. Even you have big account, you have small account, everything is neutral. Okay, it can giving profit and it also can giving losing. Okay, so basically you need to adapt to it. Okay, not forced to it. And please don't force the market to follow your expectation. Example, you have sell zone and you expect that gold can giving you money if you sell, but you need to have another probability, which is what if market breakout and will be RBS or will be breakout pullback support. So everything you need to count with money management. That's why in point number 3, trading is about money management. It's about a managing risk, not a predicting right. Okay, it's about risk. If you know how to handle your account, you will win. Because not all the trader, but we know all the trader have will face this situation. You cannot win the trade 100% win. This is impossible. This is impossible. Even pro trader also maybe win rate 70%, 80%, 90%. Didn't have any human in this world, especially for traders, didn't have 100% win rate. So that's why you need to have a proper planning about managing risk. Okay, what matter move, you need to know how to handle your losses and protect your capital. Okay, so forgetting being right, be risk aware. Okay, always aware about risk. One bad trade without control cannot undo 10 good trade. Okay, so that's why managing risk is number one. Okay, the second one is about no shortcut. No shortcut. You must face drawdown. Okay, drawdown is a part of the game. Your job is to survive even at a bad time so you can thrive a good time. Okay, the goals is you need to survive in long enough. Maybe example June session, July, right? July session right now. Our performance, we start from Monday until Friday. We have week 1, week 2, and week 3, and week 4. So, our aim, we focus only every Friday, every trading in this week, you need to calculate. Example, you have $100 grow $30 in Monday. You need to put on your journaling, and then at the second trade, $130 for the next trade. Example, you win $50. So the risk is based on your current capital. The risk 20%, 50% is not about from your first capital, because if you using this technique, maybe you can surviving long enough. Maybe it's about your strategy, because some of you only know buy and only know sell. They didn't have didn't have knowledge about to protect your capital, about the control your emotion, because sometimes you will have emotion in trading. If have one setup loss, the next setup you will all in the trade, or you will revenge the trade with full margin trades. So that's why a lot of trader in this world will face this drama, which is you cannot handle your emotion, because emotion is number one. To be stable trade, you need to have a good strategy. You need to know the reality of trade. You need to know have loss and have profits, because our aim to grow at least a small profit, but the ending still in growing positive. So that's why money management is king. Okay, if you didn't know how to manage your money, you cannot surviving long. Okay, so the last one is journaling is your meal. Okay, which is every trade that you entry, you need to take the notes. Example, you buy gold. So the reason, after you get the signal from SOT, you need to analysis. Before you follow the signal SOT, you need to analysis the market. Example, time frame M5, M15. Okay, you can see have support and you want buy based on that reason. Okay, so you need to put at the reasoning why you take that position, why you want to take the risk, and your lot sizing and timing also important in trading, especially at US session. The market to know how to track all, include one